Students, it's all well and good if you're doing the chain rule like this. But if you really want to master it, start doing it like we're about to show you. Today you'll learn how to find derivatives using the chain rule the fast way. Might take you some time to get used to it, but we're showing you this because not only will it save you time, it will help you get better at recognizing composite functions and understanding and seeing the chain rule. It's a win-win. Let's get into it. Some basics real quick. Whenever you have a composite function, you need the chain rule to find the derivative. A composite function is simply a function inside a function. We'll go through a bunch of these. Let's start with a polynomial. F of x equals 3x squared take 1 all to the power of 3. Mathematicians are lazy, right? So we don't want to expand this to find the derivative, so this is another reason we use the chain rule. Anyway, see how there is a function 3x squared take 1 inside the larger function 3x squared take 1 to the power of 3. Here's how you should think about it. And this is what the rules are doing anyway. Differentiate the outside function normally, quote unquote. So in this case, multiply by 3 and take 1 away from the power to get 3 outside of 3x squared take 1 squared. But since you have an inside function as well, you need to multiply by the derivative of that. So multiply by 6x. So the derivative is 18x outside of 3x squared take 1 squared. That's it. Let's mix that up a little and throw in a few more functions. By the way, if you need to learn your derivative rules of all these functions, then check out this video. 2 sine e to the x. Here's your outside. Here's your inside. Differentiate the outside. Multiply by the derivative of the inside. Here's your derivative. Hopefully you're getting the idea. For our last one, let's step it up a little bit. Let's differentiate ln cos x cubed. There's actually 3 functions within a function. We got ln, we got cos, and then x cubed. So we got outside, inside, and then another inside, or the most inside. So differentiate the outside, differentiate the next inside, or the next layer, I suppose. And then we multiply, and then differentiate the most inside. Multiply everything, this is what we get. And simplifying this gives us negative 3x squared tan x cubed. Pretty cool. That's it for this one. So make sure you give this a go next time you practice the chain rule questions and let us know how much faster you get. If you found this helpful, leave us a like and subscribe for more videos like this so we can help more students improve their mathematics. Thanks for watching. See you next time.